right. All right. Perfect. There we go. Awesome. Okay. All right. Okay. Go. Perfect. Now another great thing to add is that the case is the charger. So as you can see, it has a little light there, and you can also kind of see the light on the inside. There you go, there it is. So you can see the light there, which I think is really neat. You know, it keeps them clean, keeps them organized, and also charges them for next time you need to use them. To add on is that I did try the music. Now it does have some small speakers right here on the sides, and actually I think the audio is really, really good. I do love the fact that you can control everything from the side because it makes it look like you are not even touching anything. It's just really cool. I don't know, it's just one of my things. I really like it, but I hope you guys like it as well. So I think that's another plus to these glasses. Hey guys, how are you guys? How are you guys? Hey there, how are you, Rocky? How are you? You're a little scared? Don't worry, yeah, lovely. All right, here you go. How are you guys? How are you? Yes, you guys are awesome. Use. Okay, let's go. Come on. Nice. Okay, so as you guys can hear right now, this is what it sounds like. I'm just walking in my backyard. A little bit dirty, but you know, I'm walking around just like I would normally on the street. Stuff here, stuff everywhere. You got noise around me on the floor. You can check, the time, everything good. Everything looks good. Okay, so right now I'm walking outside the street just like you normally would. Trying to see how it looks. Colors and audio. You can probably hear my shoes that I'm walking. You look everywhere. The houses, the colors, everything should be good. Alright, so we're capturing, we're seeing the bushes. Now we're gonna see the image quality and also the video to see how it looks. Okay, so I've been wearing them for about 5 minutes now. And all I can say is that they're a little bit heavy. Not too bad, but slightly heavier than regular ones. Image quality hopefully is good, but everything looks good so far, so I'm hoping it stays that way. Colors, hopefully the colors are good. Now the sun is obviously facing me, so I want to see if that affects the quality. Okay, so now I'm gonna go back inside and see, and hopefully the quality is decent so we can use it, but we'll find out right now. Okay, so now I'm in my restroom. As you can see, probably hear the audio, it's gonna be different. Also, I think the lighting is not the best when you have low light, so I think that the image is not going to be as best quality. It might be a little bit grainy, but as far as the look, I think they look really good. You can barely tell if you're not close, that he has the cameras. Of course, he has a light, which I think that's kind of good, so that way people do know, and they know when you're recording, when you're not. So I think that's also good. But other things, now the 30-second thing, well, that could be a bit of an issue. But if you like this type of content, be sure to subscribe. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys enjoy. And well, if you want to order ones, I would highly encourage you to. I think for $325 roughly, I think it's a good investment just to try it out and find out and see what you like and what you don't like about them. So good luck to all of you, and I hope you guys like it. Stay good.